Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair, guys. Our mission here at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos, guys. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair, guys. Today we'll show you guys how to remove and replace a rear exterior door handle on Hyundai Sonata, guys. If you need the front ones, we have the video as well. Rear will be a little bit different. So what do you need to do, guys? You need to get a prying tool or a screwdriver, and you need to remove that cap right here. Okay, you see. And underneath you should have okay, right all the way in, it's long thing. You have 8mm bolt. You have to use 8mm socket. It's all the way almost towards right here, so you need an extension for that. So you can see it's pointed a little bit towards the handle, okay, like that. So you will need to, okay, get it loose now. Okay, so let me see now. Okay, this is the bolt, okay, right here. So you can see this is the bolt that we're talking about, and you need to make sure that it doesn't drop in. It will drop in, so it's good to have the extension with the socket inside pushing it in, otherwise it will fall off. To have the extension, that way it's not gonna fall off. Okay, this is the piece that came loose already, you can see. Next you need to grab the handle, pull it towards the back. Okay, let me just grab it now. Okay, like that, and you pull the front end out and the rest of it like that, and stay with us to show you how we're going to put it together. Okay, next what you need to do, you need to make sure that you go in, okay, like that, and then you need to slide it towards the front, okay, like that. You need to make sure that you're moving the unlocking mechanism inside. Okay, we are, because otherwise you won't be able to open the door. Next we'll need to install this one here. Okay, just give us a minute to, it's gonna go under this one here, okay, like that. And now we need to go ahead and get the screw tight. Okay, and it will pull it all the way in. Okay, like that. Just get it tight. Okay, and this is, guys, the door handle. You can see that's how we put it together. You need to get the bolt tight, but don't over tight it, because you can carry the plastic casing here. Okay, you can see it works perfect. So thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe and see you guys next time. So guys, hopefully the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Now check out our YouTube channels, guys. We have more than 19,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching. See you guys next time.